Good afternoon, everyone. I, I am Mr. Franklin, the owner of Divine Grace Investment Company. We sell all types of building material, but we specialize on doors. We specialize on doors. We have all kinds of your security door. We have your turkey door, your armor door, the Israeli door, all types of security doors, toilet door. We have all types of security doors you ever wish to. Divine Grace Investments Company sells your cabinet sink, your sink, cabinet basin. We specialize on that. So I urge you please to buy from Divine Grace Investment. Just a trial will convince you. Our priority is to make our customers satisfied with our services. So your order will be appreciated. Buy from Divine Grace Investment. Your high quality doors and cabinet sink, kitchen sink, your cabinet basin. Buy from Divine Grace. We offer you best quality product and affordable price. Buy from us. We deliver even to your doorsteps, to any of your location in Africa. We deliver. Just give it a try with a Divine Grace Investment Company. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.